Hi, beautiful people. My name is Sarah from Everest Homes and Property Limited. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you this 5-bedroom fully detached duplex sitting on a 500 square meters of land. It comes with a swimming pool, a BQ, and a bonus room. This is a must-watch video. All I need you to do is sit tight and watch this video to the end.
Peace of mind, invest with us, your future will shine. Everest, Everest, Everest Homes. On your dream they grow.
And before we go on, let's just take a look at the external features of this house. Now you have this beautiful, spacious compound that can take about 3 to 4 cars at the same time.
Call us now, no delay.
It has a 360-degree compound. Come with me as I take you around this house.
The real estate royalty, oh yeah. Oh, Everest no they fail. I know house now we they secure. I trust the brand we they take you far. Oh yeah.
This leads to the BQ. Would have loved to show you more about this place, but it's still under construction. But you can see how beautiful it's coming out.
Dream they grow. Call us now, make you glow. Everest, Everest.
This house is sitting on a 500 square meters of land, and this is your swimming pool. You agree with me that you can also have a small sit out here, put a chair, and then enjoy natural air. You put your water tank over here. This is an exit door that leads to the kitchen.
Every real estate royalty, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Everest Homes and Property Limited. Now your dreams we
Let's go inside and see what we have in this 5-bedroom fully detached house. Now, before you get in, this is your door. It's a smart lock. You see how beautiful it is. It's solid.
Everest Homes and Property Limited.
And then between your entrance, the first room by your left is your guest room. This can be your home office, or you can also set it as your guest room, depending on your choice. This is the convenience, the water heater, WC, your wash hand basin, and then your shower. Over here is your guest convenience. It comes with your window, your WC, you have your wash hand basin, and then you have your vanity.
Affordable or luxury, just share your
Before you get to the living space, you have this walkway.
research they type every transaction smoothly, they get them right. Everest will bring you peace of mind, invest with us, your future will shine.
You agree with me that this living area is spacious. This is beautiful, this is gorgeous, this is amazing. And whatever decoration design you want to do here can perfectly blend in this wonderful space. You have your TV console, you have your cabinets, you have a great panel over there, you have 4 windows, floor to ceiling windows, you have your light, LED lights, inbuilt sound system.
Everest Homes, the real estate royalty, oh yeah. Oh, Everest know they
This cabinet comes with the house. Whichever position you want to place this cabinet, it all depends on you.
Everest Homes and
Come with me as we check out this beautiful kitchen.
Everest, Everest Homes. On your dream they grow. Call us now, make you glow. Everest, Everest, Everest.
You have an amazing kitchen here.
Take you higher.
You have your heat extractor. You have your 5-burner cooker. You have your island. You have your cabinet. You have windows. You have your beautiful sink. And then you have a space that you can also put your refrigerator. Then you have your microwave and then your oven. Then these are your drop down pendant lights. This kitchen is gorgeous. Guys, after seeing this kitchen, what's the wow factor in this kitchen? Tell me in the comment section.
Everest Homes and Property Limited, where happiness stay.
Hey, I just saw something. Come with me, let me show you this beautiful pantry. See your beautiful pantry already set up, fully set up. Don't mind this glass, it's something we're going to do a decor inside this kitchen. You can see that your pantry is fully set up for your use. That's the exit door. If you remember, when I was doing 360 degree of this house, I showed you an exit door, and that's the exit door. Again, this is a 5-bed fully detached duplex sitting on a 500 square meters. Now, we have one room downstairs and the rest of the 4 rooms are upstairs. Let's go upstairs and see what we have.
Everest Homes, and they take you higher.
Welcome to the family lounge. You have your floor to ceiling windows. I love the fact that this place is fully ventilated. Now you can do a simple decor here and the family lounge is set for your use. You have a point for your AC, in-built sound system, and your lights. Now before we see the rest of the room, this house comes with an extra room which you can turn it to be your box room. Come check it out. This can be used for your box room or a mini library. It's beautiful for that purpose. Another beautiful thing about this house is the fact that it's so spacious and there's so much space between the doors that leads to the different rooms. Let's check out room number 2. Welcome to room number 2. It comes with this wardrobe, your light, in-built sound system, and a space for your AC. This is your convenience, the water heater, your wash hand basin, your shower, and then your WC. Then you have a window there for ventilation. Then there's something unique about this room that I love to show you. It has a balcony which you can just open up and stay out in a cool evening. Wow! Show them the view, the ocean view. So I can actually stay here at my balcony and just take a look at this breathtaking view. Look at the ocean. Wow, this is a beautiful sight to behold. A lot of you have been asking me about luxury, affordable homes here in Ajah. This is one of them. If you have watched this video up to this point, please endeavor to subscribe and share this video to as many people as possible. Let's check out room number 3. You have your window, you have lights, point for your AC. Please don't mind this wire over here. We are trying to round up and fix this place for your use. There's also a balcony in this room. This is beautiful. You can also see the ocean view right in your bedroom. I love this place because there's no issue of heat. It's just fresh air from all around. The wardrobe, and then your convenience this way, the water heater, your shower, and then your WC. Then you have your window for ventilation. Welcome to the fourth row. You have your window, you have your in-built sound system, your lights, your wardrobe, and then over here is your convenience, your heater, your shower, your wash hand base, and your WC. Welcome to this amazing primary suite. This is beautiful. You know, we always save the best for the last.
Real estate royalty, oh yeah. Oh, Everest no dey fail. Around the house now we dey secure.
This is where you can mount your TV. This is your TV console, and I like the gray panel complementing with this black cabinet. Beautiful. And then this mirror design, so beautiful, customized just for you. Can you guess what is in here? This is your closet, carefully hidden here. And I love the fact that it comes with this mirror design. Beautiful, isn't it? Then let's check out the convenience. Wow. You know, we always give you options here in primary suite. Now you have a bathtub and then you have a shower. This is your vanity, and then more cabinets here, and then your wash hand basin. Then over here is your WC. Then it comes with window for ventilation. Then you have your heater over there. Now, let's check out the balcony. There's something I love about this balcony. I love the fact that it is spacious. Come along as I show you this. So it can come all the way down here. You can see how big and long your balcony is. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. I hope you enjoyed this tour. This house is currently selling 250 million naira, slightly negotiable, only if you call me. It is located here in Ajah, Lagos, Nigeria, in an exclusive call-to-access estate. If you're interested in buying luxury homes or genuine landed properties, the right person to call is me. Kindly call the numbers displayed on your screen. Please ensure to subscribe, like, and share this video to as many people as possible. And then I need your comments in the comment section till I come your way again in my next video. For now, bye guys. Trust the brand we take you for.